the person who has created the product will pay you anywhere from 50 to 75% commissions. What's going on, fam? Eric Ellis here, CEO of wolvesacademy.com, and in this video, I'm gonna go ahead and show you how I'm currently making $1,000 per day from the comfort of my home. Let's go ahead and before I get into the content, show you guys proof that this actually worked. Check this out. Could you imagine making over $7,000 in 7 days? That's averaging over $1,000 per day. Well, let's actually step behind the laptop and take a look. Boom. Hey, how's it going, guys? Eric Ellis here. So a 7-day period would be from June 8th to June 14th, 2019. Today I made $497. Yesterday I made $997. But let's look at this week's gross volume. So $3,562. So now let's go to PayPal from June 8th to June 14th. So that's 1,000, that's 2,000, and then 997 equals $7,559 in 7 days. Now, if I divide that by 7, right now this current income stream is paying me over $1,079 per day. So if you guys notice, I literally am currently making, or on average, about $1,000 per day. But if you guys need more proof, check this out. So if I go to Google really quick and I go to today's dates, right? And it is September 6th, 2019. If I go to Stripe right here, we look here, expected September 8th. We look at yesterday's sales, but okay, 9/5/2019, you notice it says $2,244. So literally yesterday I made $2,244 in one of my many income streams. So what am I doing? First and foremost, I'm doing something called affiliate marketing. And what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is when you are the professional middleman. You get paid to refer other people's products. So I'm currently in the make money online niche. If you can't tell already, I love to talk about making money online. What I do is simply, I have found an affiliate product that pays extremely high commission. So there's different types of affiliate programs. You can find affiliate programs or on affiliate networks like ClickBank, Max Bounty, JVZoo. You can find like low ticket affiliate marketing products. And there's also like mid-range as well as high ticket affiliate marketing. Now, I don't do the high ticket affiliate marketing where you're selling like $30,000 packages and shit to people where you can't justify the value. But I sell affiliate marketing products. And by the way, just to kind of clarify or go a little bit more in depth with what affiliate marketing is, basically, as stated before, you're picking a niche. My niche is the make money online niche. Then you're finding products that solve people's problems. And then what you do is you find a way to connect people with those products. And when a transaction is made, the person who has created the product will pay you anywhere from 50 to 75% commissions, right? So you don't have to create the product, right? They create the product. You don't have to deal with the customer service. You don't have to deal with anything, right? You're simply finding products in these different niches and you're promoting these products through different marketing methods. And I'm going to show you guys one in a second. And when a transaction is made, you're just going to go ahead and get paid a commission. Now, where you can find these affiliate products are like affiliate networks where you can literally shop dozens, or not dozens, thousands of affiliate products like jvzoo.com, maxbounty.com, clickbank.com. Or you can find what is called like business opportunities in the make money online niche. And that's what I'm going to show you guys here. So let's step on the laptop. Boom. Now, if you notice, guys, with this specific affiliate products, I've made $46,775 so far now, guys. That is working from home. And that is probably about like 3 months worth of work. 3 months. In 3 months, making $46,000 from home, right? There's different ways that I actually market this product. And if you guys want access to this product and you guys want to promote it too, if you guys want to see what I'm using to make $1,000 days, you guys can go to ericsnewbook.com, grab access to a free copy of my book so you can understand affiliate marketing a little bit more. And then after you grab access to my free copy, I'll also give you more information on what I'm currently promoting to earn $1,000 paydays. But let's get right back to the content. So what I do here is I leverage social media. And for example, the most recent post that I did on my Instagram account, by the way, guys, if you guys aren't following me, go to Eric Ellis Jr., right? Follow me at Eric Ellis Jr. And this post here, right? I posted a post and it's called Attraction Marketing, guys. Results, value, lifestyle. So if you notice, I I mean, I'm in freaking Vegas throwing money with, they are not strippers, but they were lovely ladies, right? I'm with girls here. This has 4,000 views. I'm with girls on my penthouse, throwing money in Vegas. That was pretty fun. 6,400 views. A lifestyle video, 6,900 views, almost 7,000 views. So I have like crazy lifestyle. This is really my lifestyle. Like, you can't fake pictures. So this is my lifestyle. I basically attract people by showing them the type of lifestyle that I live, but that's not really that duplicatable. What is duplicatable is leveraging either somebody else's results or your own results, right? So that's what I do. I create results and in my business through doing other marketing methods. And what I do is with those results, I go ahead and attract people who are interested in what I'm selling. So for example, this last post has 689 views and 46 different comments, and my call to action was for people to comment info. Now if you notice, info, and just to show you guys an actual video, I'll probably put it like right here. It'll show you guys all the people commenting info on this post. So these are literally leads who are interested in actually what I'm selling or what I'm promoting. And then what I do is I pre-qualify these people through a series of questions. The first question that I ask is I figure out how much money they have to actually invest into a business, how much time they have, and if they have the time and the money, then I set up a phone call, and then I go ahead and explain to them the opportunity, and I close the sale. As simple as that. And if you guys want to go and see a quick snippet of me actually closing that $2,000 sale, check this out.
But hey man, I just made that payment, man.
Let me go and take a look.
All right, cool. I'll get it done.
All right, brother.
All right, appreciate it.
All right, bye-bye. Y'all see what time it is? $2,244. So the sale was $19.97. That is how you close $2,000 in less than an hour. So with that being said, guys, it's super simple. It's called attraction marketing. You're literally attracting leads. You're not sliding in people's DMs. You're not being the hunter. You're being the hunted. So that way you're presenting yourself as an authority. People are reaching out to you for your help. And all you're doing to help them and to serve them is redirecting them to an affiliate product that can actually help them. And in this specific case, we're using a Make Money Online product. So it's attraction marketing. That's how I'm making $1,000 a day from home. I'm literally leveraging free marketing methods, social media methods. I'm doing it. This is free, right? So I just made over $2,000 yesterday, and like I showed you guys the video before, $1,000 per day for free simply by leveraging this attraction marketing method. So in 3 months with this PayPal account, I made $13,000 absolutely free, pure profit. What's going on, fam? Eric Ellis here, CEO of wolvesacademy.com. And in this video, I'm going to show you a real legitimate way to make free PayPal money, up to $1,000 to $2,000 PayPal payouts. No fluff, no BS. Let's step behind the laptop. Boom, we're behind the laptop. Now, all I did, guys, is I literally typed in "you've got money" in my Gmail account. And if you guys notice, September 11th, which was yesterday, I made $1,000. It says, Eric Ellis, you've got money, Wolves Academy, you received $1,000. 2 days before that, Eric Ellis, Wolves Academy LLC, you received $1,000. Now, guys, this PayPal account is less than 3 months old. And if I go ahead and calculate how much money I've made from this PayPal account, let me just count it up for you guys. So 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 6,000, 7,000. Then I'm just gonna round it up to about 8,000. Then the two 500s, that's 9,000. Then another 1,000, that's 10,000. Then another 500 and 400, so that's about 11,000. And then another 1,000, that's 12. And then another one, that's $13,000. Guys, so in 3 months with this PayPal account, I made $13,000 absolutely free, pure profit. So with that being said, guys, I'm going to go and show you guys exactly how I did it. And there's so many videos out there showing you how to get free PayPal money with doing nothing, going on apps and signing apps and making a lot of, but guys, that's all fucking bullshit, right? This is a real legitimate way. It requires work. You have to be willing to put in the work. You have to be willing to grind. You have to be willing to actually invest into yourself, right? You have to invest into yourself, but once you invest into yourself, I'm going to be showing you guys exactly what I've been doing to actually accumulate free PayPal payouts, right? So first and foremost, what we're going to do is we're going to need something to sell, right? We're going to need something to sell that allows us to collect PayPal payments. Now, what I'm currently leveraging is an affiliate marketing program called Easy One Up. So what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is when you are relicensed to sell somebody else's product. So if you guys look here inside my dashboard, it's loading right here, but I've to date made $47,000, so almost $50,000. So guys, that $12,000 that I showed you guys on my PayPal is pennies compared to how much I actually made with this company. Now, not only that, as stated before, that was a new PayPal account. I've collected other PayPal payments leveraging Easy One Up, and I've also collected Stripe payments with Easy One Up. So about $50,000 in about a 3 to 4 month period. So over $10,000 a month that I'm making with this income. Literally made about $6,000 within the last 7 days, right? Just to give you guys like how much money could be made with this. Now, what is Easy One Up? Easy One Up is basically different levels of affiliate marketing curriculum, right? So if we look here, we have my products, and then there's Elevation, Elevation Elite, Vertex, Vertex Elite, Vertex Pro, Vertex Live, and the highest packages are Vertex Pro, Vertex Live, which are basically affiliate marketing courses. Vertex Live is an affiliate marketing course, but it also comes with a training from 6- and 7-figure affiliate marketers. If you guys don't know what affiliate marketing is, guys, you get paid to be the professional middleman. You get to refer other people's products. They created the product, you get paid a commission. So these courses are going to go and teach you how to be the professional middleman. They're going to teach you how to actually promote other people's products and get paid commissions. Now, if you guys want access to this curriculum, right, it'll be the first link down below. You guys can get access to Easy One Up. But, right, the big but. The but is you can also promote their product at 100% commission payout. So this $1,000 and $2,000 course, if you invest into it, right, it'll also allow you to become a reseller and sell it at 100% commissions. So anybody who has been following me for a long period of time, guys, you guys hear me say all the time, 50 to 75% is what most affiliate products pay out. They pay out 100% commissions. So yes, you have to invest. The levels go from $25 to $100 to $250, $500, $1,000, $2,000. Guys, me personally, I make too much money to even promote those smaller tier packages. That's why you see all my commission payouts via PayPal have been $1,000 and $2,000. So the two ways that you can collect payments is Stripe and PayPal. So that's how I've generated $13,000 on PayPal for free, because I use free marketing strategies. So once you guys make the investment, if you're not willing to invest into yourself, leave this fucking video, because I'm not here teaching shit for people who want something for nothing, right? Yes, you can make this for free, and I'm going to show you guys how, but you have to invest into yourself first. You have to invest money and you have to invest time, right? Once you invest the money, now we're going to have to invest time to actually generate leads, so that way we can go ahead and actually make free PayPal profits, right? So with that being said, what we're going to do is once we go ahead and create an Easy One Up account and make an investment, if you guys want to join my team and get access to my step-by-step training, simply go ahead and click the first link in the description and you'll be able to sign up. But what you're also going to go ahead and get access to is what I've been leveraging, which is called Funnel X ROI. This is basically just marketing materials to promote Easy One Up. To keep it simple, done for you marketing materials to promote Easy One Up. So if we look here, we have your links to promote. So for example, guys, it's going to allow you to connect your affiliate link, your Easy One Up affiliate link. And these are capture pages that you can capture emails, but this is a sales video that will literally sell Easy One Up for you on complete autopilot. The benefit of this is that what happens is you're going to go ahead and when you connect Easy One Up to the sales video, right? This guy named David DeKale actually does all the selling for you. And when you're literally going to be promoting this link. Now, how are two ways that we can go to promote this link? The ways that I've been promoting it, guys, is driving traffic from my YouTube channel. The second way I've been promoting it is attraction marketing through Instagram, which is basically posting my results on Instagram and telling people to comment more info if they are interested in what I'm doing. And then if they're interested, what they do is they literally reply to me. We go back and forth. I hop on a phone call with them. I show them how Easy One Up can help change their lives. And then I answer any questions they have. And then I close $1,000 to $2,000. And at the end of that call, I say, so did you want to go ahead and pay with me just sending you a link, or did you want to go ahead and pay via PayPal? And then if they say PayPal, boom, I just made $1,000 or $2,000 via PayPal. Boom, for free. All I had to do is drop a post on Instagram. Somebody inquired about it. I hopped on the phone call. No investment, no paid advertisement, nothing. Pure profit, right? So those are the two ways you're going to be promoting it. Now, another way, guys, is if you're driving traffic to this, whether free or paid, right? What's going to happen is, well, we're going to be talking about free because we talked about free PayPal money, is if you're driving traffic to this page, a lot of these people are going to be unpaid members. Now, the cool thing, guys, is I'm not going to do it because I don't want to reveal anybody's information, but if I was to go to the My Team section, and let's just say I was to go to Elevation, and I was to go to, I mean, fuck it, whatever. They'll be okay. So unpaid members, view program. If you guys look here, we have a name, we have a phone number, and we have an email. So guys, I have 1,200 people of unpaid members. So they're basically trial members. I have 1,200 people who haven't paid. So they signed up, but they haven't paid. So all I have to do is literally reach out to them, either text message or call them, and literally just say, hey, you didn't pay. What was stopping you? Oh, I didn't know how to sign up, or I didn't know what level to invest into, or whatever. And then you can literally just answer their questions, walk them through the process, collect your payment via PayPal or Stripe, and then boom, you just made a freaking huge commission. So guys, all you have to do is invest one time, and then you will be relicensed to sell this product at 100% commission and earn profits over time long term. So imagine making $1,000 and $2,000 payouts. Now guys, yes, I invested $2,000 to get access to this, but if you do the math, guys, in PayPal alone, I've made $13,000 with this one PayPal account. My Easy One Up account, I made $50,000 with this product. Was it worth the $2,000 investment? Yes, that's freaking pennies compared to making $50,000. So for those of you who want to go ahead and make money on PayPal by clicking a fucking button and not putting in work, get the fuck off of my channel. For those people who are actually serious about making money and actually want to invest into themselves, and those people who want to actually put in work and do something that will allow them to walk away from their 9 to 5, if you're going to be hustling and slaving away at your fucking 9 to 5 to build somebody else's dream and to make them rich, you might as well fucking put the blood, sweat, and tears in your own business, in your own grind, in your own hustle, so that way you can live the type of lifestyle that I live. You guys seen my intro. You guys saw the Ferraris. I'm currently in Medellin, Colombia. Dope ass fucking apartment. I wish I could show you guys my views, but for time's sake, I'm not going to. I've made $7,000 this week as far as all my income streams. Guys, that's the fucking life. If you guys want that, right? Not the something for nothing bullshit to where you make $3 every time you click something. No. To where you guys can make $1,000 to $2,000 payouts, right? Free PayPal, pure profit, free marketing strategies. And if you guys go ahead and invest in the Easy One Up, I'm going to go ahead and give you guys what I'm currently doing, right? I'm going to give you guys my training, teach you guys the free marketing strategies that I'm leveraging to earn $1,000 to $2,000 payouts. If that seems like you, no more discussion. Click the damn link down below. Take freaking action, and I want to help you win. So with that being said, my friend, that's how you make free PayPal money the real way, not the bullshit way like everybody else is teaching online. The real way to where you guys can make real life-changing income using PayPal.